Hey everyone, welcome to PAX-FX. If you've ever wondered what Forex trading is all about, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the world's largest financial market where currencies are traded. Every single day, over $6 trillion flows through this market. That's bigger than stocks, crypto, and commodities combined. But how does it actually work? In Forex, you're always trading currency pairs, buying one currency while selling another simultaneously. For example, if you think the euro will strengthen against the dollar, you buy EUR/USD. If you're right, you profit. If wrong, you lose money. Most trading happens through online platforms that let you execute trades and manage risk. Remember, Forex involves significant risk and isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. On PAX-FX, I'll share strategies, tools, and real examples to help you trade smarter. If you want to learn more about Forex trading, hit that subscribe button, drop your Forex questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.